Lemon. Limon. Men salat uchun limon siqdim. I squeezed lemon for the salad. Lend. Qarz bermoq. Menga ruchkangizni qarz bera olasizmi? Can you lend me your pen? Less. Kamroq. Bugun menda kamroq vaqt bor. I have less time today. Level. Sath, daraja. Suv bir xil sathga yetdi. The water reached the same level. Lifestyle. Turmush tarzi. U sog'lom turmush tarzini afzal ko'radi. He prefers a healthy lifestyle. Lift. Ko'tarish yoki binolardagi lift. Iltimos qutini ehtiyotkorlik bilan ko'tar. Please lift the box carefully. Light. Yorug'lik. Yoritmoq. Quyosh tez orada xonani yoritadi. The sun will light the room soon. Light. Yengil. Bu sumka ko'tarish uchun juda yengil. This bag is light to carry. Likely. Ehtimol. Bugun ehtimol yomg'ir yog'ishi mumkin. It's likely to rain today. Link. Havola. Men sizga havola yuboraman. I will send you the link. Listener. Tinglovchi. Tinglovchi nutqdan keyin olqishladi. The listener applauded after the speech. Little. Kichik, biroz. Uning bugun biroz bo'sh vaqti bor. She has a little free time. Lock. Block. U eshikni to'xtatish uchun blok ishlatdi. He used the lock to stop the door. Look. Qarash yoki ko'rinish, manzara. Ikkinchi ma'nosi. Bu rasmga bir qarang. Take a look at this picture. Lorry. Yuk mashinasi. Yuk mashinasi mebellarni yetkazdi. The lorry delivered the furniture. Lost. Yo'qolgan, adashgan. I feel lost in the new city. Men o'zimni yangi shaharda yo'qolgandek his qildim. Loud. Baland ovoz. Musiqa juda baland edi. The music was too loud. Ovoz so'zi ishlatilmaydi, baland o'zi ishlatiladi. O'zimizda ham shunday. Loudly. Baland ovozda. U eshitilish uchun baland ovozda gapirdi. She spoke loudly to be heard. Lovely. Go'zal, yoqimli. Sizda qanday go'zal bog' bor. What lovely garden you have. Look. Past. Low. Past yoki kam. Shkaf men uchun juda past. The shelf is too low for me. Luck. Omad. Imtihonda omad tilayman. Good luck with your exam. Lucky. Omadli, baxtli. U yutgani uchun omadli his qildi. He felt lucky to win. Mail. Pochta, xabar, pochta yubormoq. Men bugun ertalab pochtani tekshirdim. I checked the mail this morning. Major. Asosiy, katta. Bu asosiy qaror. This is a major decision. Male. Erkak. Erkak qushlarning patlari yorqin. The male bird has bright feathers. Manage. Boshqarish, uddalamoq, eplamoq. U loyihani yaxshi boshqara oladi. She can manage the project well. Manager. Manager yig'ilish chaqirdi. The manager called the meeting. Manner. Xulq, uslub. U odobli xulq bilan munosabatda bo'ldi. She behaved in a polite manner. Mark. Belgilamoq. Iltimos to'g'ri javobni belgilang. Please mark the correct answer. Marry. Oila qurmoq. Ular kelasi yili oila qurishni rejalashtirishyapti. They plan to marry next year. Material. Mato, xomashyo, qurilish materialiga o'xshagan xomashyo. yoki ishlatilgan material kiyim uchun. Ko'ylak ipak matodan tikilgan. The dress is made of silk material. Matematika mening sevimli fanim. The mathematics is my favorite subject. Math. Matematika qisqachasi bu. U har kuni matematika o'rganadi. She studies math every day. Matter. Masala muhim bo'lmoq. Keyin fizik modda va atom darajasidagi modda matter deyilgan. Atom shunaqa modda. Bu menga muhim emas. It doesn't matter to me. May. Mumkin, ruxsat. Bugun erta ketishingiz mumkin. You may leave early today. Media. Ommaviy axborot vositasi. Media. Yangilik ijtimoiy mediada chiqdi. The news was on social media. Medical, tibbiy. Unga tibbiy yordam kerak. He needs medical attention. Meditsina, dori, tibbiyot. Dorini kuniga 2 marta iching. Take your medicine twice daily. Memory, xotira. Mening ismlar uchun yaxshi xotiram bor. Ismlarni yaxshi eslay olaman degani. I have a good memory for names. Mention, tilga olmoq, eslatmoq. Siz yig'ilish vaqtini aytdingizmi? Eslatdingizmi? Did you mention the meeting time? Metal. Metal. Darvoza metallardan yasalgan. The gate, darvoza, is made of metals. Metallardan yasalgan. Medical. A method. Usul. Bu usul yaxshi ishlaydi. This method works well. Middle. O'rta. U xonaning o'rtasida turdi. He stood in the middle of the room. Might, maybe, ehtimol, balki, mumkin. U keyinroq kelishi mumkin. She might come later. Mind, aql yoki o'ylamoq. Munozara vaqtida ochiq fikrda bo'ling. Keep an open mind during discussion. Mine, meaning. Bu kitob meniki. This book is mine. Mirror, oyna. U oynada o'ziga qaradi. She looked at herself in the mirror. Missing, yo'qolgan. Kalitlar stol ustida yo'qolgan. The keys are gone deyiladi yoki missing on the table. Mobil, telefon. Mobil telefonini zaryad qildi. She charged, zaryad qo'ydi his mobile phone, telefonini. Monkey, maymun daraxtga chiqdi. The monkey climbed the tree. Moon, oy. Bugun oy juda yorqin. The moon is bright tonight. Mostly, asosan. Men asosan kechqurun o'qiyman. I mostly read in the evening. Motorcycle. U yangi motosikl sotib oldi. He bought a new motorcycle. Movement, harakat. Odamlar harakati sekin edi. The movement of crowd was slowly. Musiqiy. Va musiqa konsertiga yubordi. She attended music concert. Musiqachi, iste'dodli musiqachi. He is a talented musician. Myself, men o'zim. Men tortni o'zim tayyorladim. I made the cake by myself. Narrow, tor. Ko'cha juda tor. The street is very narrow. National, milliy. Ertaga milliy bayram. It's national holiday tomorrow. Natural, tabiat. Biz tabiat go'zalligidan zavqlandik. We enjoy the beauty of nature. Deyarli. Men deyarli avtobusni qo'yib yubordim. o'tkazib yubordim. I nearly missed the bus. Necessary, zarur. Har kuni o'rganish zarur. It's necessary to learn every day. Neck, bo'yin. U bo'yniga iliq sharf taqdi. He wore a warm scarf around his neck. Need, ehtiyoj, kerak. Menga ko'proq ma'lumot kerak. I need more information. So, see you